Youngkuk is a pioneer artist in Korean modern art history. The exhibition, Journey to the Infinite, it's his solo exhibition which is held in Venice. His idea of a simple composition and rendering of the colors and very basic forms, all these very fit to the idea of Carlo Scarpa. So we wanted to show his painting very incoherent with the scheme of the architecture here in Venice.
My father hardly explained anything about himself. I remember him saying about Mondrian, he was the artist he admired most because his painting does not need any explanation. Everything is so clear from the painting itself. He also did not like to put many philosophy or explanation in his painting. He went to Japan around the age of 20 and jumped into abstract art from the very beginning. And even at the time, abstract art was very in embryonic age in Japan. And they formed art group called New Form Group, Shinsanghwae. They were the first avant-garde group formed in Korea. After that, Kim Hwan-gi and Yoo Youngkuk were leaders of Korean modern art movement in 1950s.
He wanted to focus on nature, and Korean nature especially, because this nature is a kind of very good example to reveal the principle of the world or universe.
In his painting, which is sometimes very warm and burning with energy, and also give you the feeling of the magnificence of nature. And that's in fact where we came from and we always go back to.